Dynamic captions are sort of like the in thing right now. And if you're like me that create videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and you're wondering how you can create captions like this one for your video, look no further, because right here in this video, I am going to be showing you a tutorial and teaching you how you can as well do that for yourself using just your mobile phone without technical softwares and humongous processes. Before I go into that, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Mandy Rachel Okweligbe, and you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel if you are a returning subscriber. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, hey, this is the place to be. So do not forget to tap on that subscribe button right now. Yes, subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications for all my posts so that when I drop new videos, you will be the first to know. So the next thing you're going to be seeing right now is my mobile phone screen, where I'm going to be showing you how I actually do these dynamic captions using just my smartphone, which you can do as well, of course, after you have finished watching this tutorial. Meanwhile, I have a gift for you right after this tutorial, so make sure you watch this tutorial to the end with very close attention and do not miss out on my gift. Okay, I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. So if you've always wanted to learn how to create videos like these with captions that has some parts highlighted and you're wondering how you can actually do that, don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that in this video. So stay tuned and come along with me. So we're going to be using the CapCut app for this, and let me explain to you how you can actually add highlight some part of your text to make it have maybe a different color or have a different look. Do you understand? So as usual, you're going to click on new projects, pick the video you want to edit. So let's say this is the video that I want to edit. You click on add. Let me just mute this video so that the noise does not affect me. So then put it on 0. So this is the video that you want to edit, okay, that we want to add captions to. So let me cut some part of the video so that we don't waste time. Let me cut this part and delete it. Let me just delete it. Okay, so the next thing you will now do is you click on text. Okay, you click on auto caption, and I have to increase the volume of this so that it can pick the sound. So let me bring it back to 100. And this particular book so now that I've increased the volume, I have to now come here, like I said you click on text and then you click on auto captions. Okay, so when you click on auto captions, you will see these 3 options that I said: identify filler words and pauses. You can actually turn it on. It's actually good if you turn it on though. Dynamic captions, you can turn it on. Then I will show you the dynamic captions and I will show you when you turn it off. If the video has a subtitle before, you can turn it on to clear current subtitle, but this video does not have any subtitle before, so I'll just turn it off back. So when I do this, the next thing I'm going to click on, you click on start. So once you click on start, CapCut is going to automatically generate the captions for you. Can you see it is identifying pauses, identifying filler words and everything? It will do everything for you automatically. Okay, so once it is done, the captions will appear. These are the captions. Let me play the video. This particular book will help your affiliate business if you are struggling. So can you see that it got, like, it literally, I don't even need to edit, it picked every word. So now that I'm cool, you click on this OK sign here. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, click on text. I would change, look at, because of the dynamic captions I used, as the text is coming up, it is, as I'm saying the word, that's when the word is showing. Okay, so now let me edit the text. You click on, once you highlight the text, you click on style. When you click on style, it will load all the fonts that we have on CapCut. You can also import your own fonts if you want. Just click on this plus sign here to upload your own font, but the font on CapCut is actually very nice. So I always use Ubuntu because Ubuntu is quite wide. I also use Exo one. It depends on you, okay? It depends on you. It does not mean anything. So you can check out all the fonts here and pick the one that you like. So let's say I want to go with this one that I like, and then once you click on it, so let me show you another thing. When you click on style, you would see this thing that says apply to auto captions. Once this thing is on, once this thing is on, it will apply it. Anything you're applying to this text, to this first edit here, will apply to every other thing. But once you turn it off, anything you are applying will only be applied to the particular caption you are working on. Do you understand? So I just wanted to show you that part. So now let's play. And you can see that it is showing. Now that we have changed the fonts, there's something else that you can do to make your video nicer. I can decide to pull my video to start from where the text is starting, so that as I'm speaking, all those unnecessary pauses are off my video. Look at, can you see this particular book? Your affiliate business, if you are struggling. Can you see that? So now let's say I want to change the color. Click on the highlight the text, you see style. Now when you click on style, you would see, you see font. We've already picked font. You see style. When you click on style, this is where you can change the color of the text. Do you see that? Now you can, let's say I pick this particular one that has yellow, I pick this particular one that has blue, whatever one. There are more. It depends on what you want. I can come here, you can see text stroke. I can make the stroke white. Can you see that the text is now white? I can make the canvas, I can change the canvas to be black or red. This is basically where you change colors and everything. And you can see that my apply to auto captions is on. You can see that what is happening here is also happening on the second one. Now let's say I don't want it to be like that. Let me click on style. Now I will turn off this apply to auto captions. This is what I want on this particular one. I don't want it to be red. I want the canvas to be white. Now let me click on OK. You can see that on this particular caption, this one is white and this one is red. Do you understand now? So basically that is how you do all these how to apply to auto captions and everything. So let's say you don't want this dynamic caption. That this dynamic caption is the word as you're speaking, the word is coming out. If you don't want it, you can equally still turn it off. Just come to animation. Okay, once you come to animation, you can see caption. This is the one that we're currently using, and if you want to change it, you can change it. This is another one, this is another one, this is another one. Or if you don't want it at all, just say none. Everything will turn off. Can you see that? Particular book, it is no longer having the dynamic business caption. Did you see that? It is no longer having the dynamic caption. So now let me delete this this and do it again. So let's say you want to apply auto captions without the dynamic whatever. So just click on text, click on auto caption, turn off dynamic captions. Okay, if you don't want to identify filler words as well, you can turn it off. Then click on start. So once you click on start, it will create your captions for you. You know, I'm just trying to show you another way. Okay, once you have all your clip, so this particular book, so you don't even need to edit anything. Check for it. There are sometimes, because it won't pick your, all this thing is AI, so you might need to watch the video to be very sure. It's not a matter of you will need to watch the video to know and certify that the auto captions are correct. If it's not correct, you can edit it. Okay, if you want to edit it, just come to batch edit. Okay, click on the one you want to edit. So this one, I think it's affiliate, not affiliate. So basically that is it. Okay, so if you want to edit, or just click on edit button here and edit. Okay, so now let's come to style. Click on style. Let's change the font. Under style, we have font, style, effect, bubble. Like you want to have like a bubble, like all these things, animation. Okay, so let's come to style. Sorry, let's change the font first. Let's pick Ubuntu. That's the one I like to use actually. Then sorry, style. Let's say I want it to be black with white borders. If you want it to be yellow with white borders, you can easily change that yellow to red, or change it to any color that you like. I've already established that. Or if you want to use effects, okay, if you want to use text effects, just change the effects under here. It depends on you. Okay, so but the one I want to show you now is this. Now let's come to style. So let's say this book here, I want it to be red. I'll just long press on book, or all the parts of the text I want to be read. Okay, book will help your affiliate. Maybe that's where I want to be read. I will highlight that part. Okay, long press on it as if you want to copy and paste, and highlight that part. Then I will now come to colors and pick red. I will make sure that apply to auto captions is off, because if it's not off, anything I'm doing here will be applied to the other captions, which you don't want. Okay, make sure your apply to auto captions is off. Click on OK. Let's see what happens. You can see we help your affiliates. Can you see that it has changed that part to red? You can even zoom it and all that. Okay, you can do all of these things here. And when zooming your text as well, make sure apply to auto captions is off, because if you don't turn it off, as you are zooming one, the other ones too will be zoomed. So let's say you want it to still look like it's a dynamic caption, that is, as you're speaking, the words are coming out. There's a particular animation that you can use. So just click on the text, come to animation, then scroll down like this. You see it at the back. Click on karaoke, increase it depending on the length. You can take it to the end, then change the color. Maybe you want it to be white. Okay, I don't think white works though. I don't think white works, so you can make it yellow like this. Okay, if you want it to be applied to all the auto captions, just check on apply to auto captions, click on OK. So let's see what happens here. This particular book will help your affiliate business if you are struggling. Okay, it didn't apply to this. It's meant to do that, I guess. Maybe because let me change the style back to a normal style. And basically, I hope you get the idea, right? I hope you get the idea. Oh, it has changed everything. Let me check. Can you see what I'm saying? Because I changed that, when apply to auto, everything is on, it automatically changed this one too. So whenever you are editing and you only want it applied on a particular caption, always remember to turn that off. Okay, always remember to turn that apply to all auto captions off. Always remember to turn it off. So this is how you edit captions. This is how you do auto captions using the CapCut app. Okay, so I hope you've been able to gain something from this video. Let me play the video for you so you can see. This book will help your affiliate business if you are struggling. So this is how you do it. Then of course you save your video. Okay, you save your video. If you want to add bubble, you can add bubble and all of that. So this is how you do that. Always remember to delete. CapCut always has this ending whatever. Always remember to delete it. You just click on it like this and delete it. Okay, then save your video to whatever resolution you want, if it's 1080 or 720. So I think TikTok now accepts 1080 videos on their platform, so you can save it at 1080. Click on the arrow button and download button there and download your video. Easy peasy. So this is how you add dynamic and auto captions to your videos using the TikTok app. Remember I told you I have a special gift for you at the end of this tutorial? Well, here is your special gift, an opportunity for you to join my mobile phone photography and videography course at a whopping 70% discount. Guys, this is not available for everybody. Only the first 3 people that will go to the description of this video right now and grab the coupon code to get the 70% discount. Once you are able to do that, you are part of the first 3 people to do that, you'll be able to get my mobile phone photography and videography course at a whopping 70% discount, where you get to learn photography and videography tips. And not just that, you're going to be getting 20 of my photo presets for free. Now, these photo presets are pre-edited pictures that you just copy and paste on your pictures without stressing to edit your pictures, and you get fine looking pictures for your social media content like these ones you're seeing right here on your screen. So guys, don't sleep on it. Don't say Mandy didn't do anything good for you. Okay. And finally, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel at this point, it is very wrong. Yes, it is very wrong, because that means you're going to be missing out on more content like this one. So make sure you tap on that subscribe button right now, subscribe to my channel, tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications, so that when I drop new videos, of course, you are the first to know. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have questions, comments, feel free to drop them. Okay, will you be trying out the dynamic captions in your next video content? Let me know right in the comments of this video. I'll be glad to hear from you.